to say the least.
Yeah, well, we saw her actually in tears.
No.
Can we say that? We saw her.
Sabi mo na.
Sabi ko na. Oh, well, she's feeling like a bit under the weather.
Oo, kasi may sipon si Alyssa, so medyo nahihirapan daw huminga. And of course, sa sipon, pipilitin mo ng konti, sasakit na rin yung ulo mo. So, Alyssa Valdez, well, she's still here, she'll still play, and here we go. So, Ateneo po yung unang may serve dito. Tandaan po natin kung sino pong nanalo sa laban na ito. Lalabanan ng Philippine Army sa ating best of 3 semifinal series. We are underway on the serve of Gatchaliana. Here's the running attack. Pinag-usapan kagad natin. Running attack, Micah Ortiz.
Well, again, we said, pag maganda ang depensa ng Air Force, mahirapan din ng Ateneo sa depensa dahil Ortiz, yung makulangan connection, mahirap stop yun.
So, panimula pa lamang, Micah Ortiz getting the first point. And now, Rhea Di Maculangan, number 1 center so far in terms of percentages dito sa ating liga. But yung serve ni Rhea, which she won an award for in many leagues.
Way back when.
Oh, in many leagues. Yun ang hindi niya makuha consistently in this conference.
Yeah, that's right. Pero actually, sa start, I saw her name eh. As one of the top servers.
Well, number 5, yung mga ganun. Yeah. Pero layo eh. Here's D-Mac now going over to Caballero. So, the UST girls starting off well dito. 2-1 Air Force.
Well, they know they've got to step up and early because they don't want to give Ateneo, any room or any chance.
If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Micah Ortiz on the serve. Lazaro reception. Morado kay De Leon. Habol naman ito si Micah Ortiz. And this will be, lucky shot coming from Joy Cases. Itatawid na lamang yan, tumama pa sa net.
Yun ang mahirap pag ganot, yung sa net nag-trickle.
Yeah. Well, ito si Mitch Morente actually did that on her serve against Army.
Yeah, I know.
5 straight aces dun sa laban against the Philippine Army. Quick set, Bea De Leon. Ando naman si D-Mac. De Ramos dropping it in. Slow start for Ateneo on defense.
And for Air Force, it's a good start for them.
4-1 Air Force. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League. Lisa De Ramos did not play in their last 3 games and gets the start today over itong si Neneng Tapik.
Well, alam natin, si Coach Clarence, meron din yung tricks up his sleeve.
Right. Valdez into the net. 5-1 Air Force. Hilig na Ateneo to, no? Yung mapapaiwan biglang hahapon.
No. Yeah, that's right. But they gotta also remember, hindi pwede basta-basta bigyan ng opportunity naman tong Air Force because they're the more mature team and they know the importance of today's game.
Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, lahat Tiger Katolang gamitin, proudly Philippine-made, katulad ng ulan na nararamdaman natin dito ngayon sa San Juan Arena. It's raining hippopotamus.
Yeah. An elephant.
Good dig there coming from Lazaro. Morado sending it to Valdez. Valdez cross-court. That's the first point on offense for Ateneo.
But Ateneo's been struggling in terms of defense. Their service reception really very bad here in the first set.
Nagbanggaan pa si Morente sa si Morado that time. And a bit of a cut shot there coming from Alyssa Valdez. Now Gia Morado to put it in play. 5-2 Air Force. First set. Balmaceda, Di Maculangan, Caballero, off the block. Lazaro gets to it. Valdez sending it to Gatchaliana. Galing sa likuran and Gatchaliana scores.
That's a great play for Ateneo. Making something. Getting a point out of nothing.
Parang yung kay Cases din kanina. Ganun din eh.
Actually.
Bawi naman ito si Gatchaliana. So that's back-to-back points on offense now for Ateneo. 5-3 Air Force because it's the official ball of the Shakey's B-League.
Well, that's a good sign if you can see people like, or players like Gatchaliana fight from the back. Option na rin yun.
D-Mac, iniwan para kay De Ramos. Banggaan sa net, walang tawag. Back set ngayon, Mitch Morente. And Morente, now 3 in a row now for Ateneo.
Well, suddenly we can feel that Ateneo is slowly waking up here in today's game.
Pero yung depensa pa rin nila, at least ngayon, opensa. Pero yung depensa nila, not really there yet. Well, we are continuing to observe Alyssa Valdez right now, who's still having a hard time breathing dahil sa kanyang sipon. Morado, serving well. Balmaceda, Di Maculangan, Caballero, turned back there by Morente. And Morente scores on a block point.
So back-to-back points for Michelle Morente is a good sign talaga for Ateneo kasi we talked about it in a lot of games before. If Morente plays well, good things happen.
Ginawa niya against Army, 17 points in that match against Army, including a record-setting 10 service aces, 5 of which came in the 5th set in a row.
Grabe yun.
Consecutive. One of the best games I've ever covered. Actually, sa laban na yan, as Morado hits it to the net. So, bumalik ang kalamangan dito sa Philippine Air Force. And now, Joy Gazelle Cases, formerly of Letran, transferred to Lyceum. And we call her the journey woman because I think she's played about 5 teams already dito sa Shakey's B-League.
Yeah, but she's ever reliable.
Right. Oh, Bea De Leon connecting with Morado, former high school rivals, actually. Connecting right here as makikita natin dito on this replay. Bea De Leon, and now Eliza Valdez will serve. 6-all. So, rivals yan taga Poveda itong si De Leon. San Agustin naman galing ito si Morado. And Lisa De Ramos. Finding a way to score.
Yeah, alam natin na Coach Clarence, I was saying earlier, he has some tricks up his sleeve. I'm sure meron yung plano kay Lisa De Ramos.
Right. Nasabi nga ni Coach Clarence, yan ay pinaka-veteran sa team. Bakit? Karango na daw niya yan Pareho silang staff sergeant. Great block by De Ramos again. So De Ramos a factor early in the first set para dito sa kupunan ng Philippine Air Force. Lamang po sila ng dalawa against...
If they were surprised that they still made it to this playoffs, coming from the bottom of the eliminations, they just said, di nila ito ina-expect. They just played the game and was very happy with the win. I asked them what they think changed in the game, and of course, Jamie La Victoria just replied, Heartstrong, Noel and Lorene.
Heartstrong has been the theme of this group since the UAAP, and there's a late call, and it is a correct call, an illegal back row block, and Coach Tai says, really?
Well, Coach Clarence called it early.
Sino yung backliner na pumunta sa harapan? Team Captain Eliza Valdez is having a word with Lumer Parillo. Let's take a look at it one more time.
Well, that's a lucky break for Army, Air Force, because parang nag-point ang Ateneo.
Right. It is going to Air Force, and Coach Tai still cannot believe it. Here's Morado now, 3-point lead for Air Force. Morente tries to drop it, it's short.
Well, Ateneo's got to forget about those bad calls for them.
And 6 Air Force, first set. Time out Ateneo. Coach Tai communicates via mental telepathy.
Yeah.
Kasi doon sa timeout niya, narinig sabi niya, happy. Totoo na rin yan, kasi medyo matamlay din itong mga bata ngayon, ha?
That's so true. I was gonna say also, parang after the same thing, bad call ngayon for them, parang yung mukha nila, umibay.
Now they're down by 4, so now Air Force serving. Good serve, they're coming from Caballero. Kim Gaquiliana, airborne, off the block. Nandun naman si Cases. Dimac heading it to Pantino, and Pantino scores.
So far, the block is Ateneo having problems, but Air Force just cruising along.
So back to another 5-point lead. Actually, ito na yung biggest lead. Kanina 5-1 Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan na Dengue, Lion Tiger Katolang gamitin. Probably Philippine-made. Biggest lead for Air Force right now. This ating first set. Misreception there from Valdez. Free ball from Morente. Balmaceda. Dimac ulangan. Pantino galing sa kapila. Nakapangalan ni Morente. Dimac one more time. Galing sa likod naman. Caballero. Lazaro. Morado. Quick set. De Leon again.
And that's a better play for Ateneo. More aggressive in terms of defense, and it pays off.
Is it just me or is De Leon 3 for 3 from the field already?
Yeah, parang
Oo. But now De Leon back to serve. Bea De Leon coming off a career high 16 points sa kanilang huling laban against the National University, which they also won in 5 sets.
Oh, good serve.
Recovery made, and here's Pantino. De Leon digs it up. Pantino, hinulog sa harapan ni Morado. Mga ganun situation, kailangan pasalo na yung kuha mo eh.
So actually, Morado or Ahumiro should have gone up to block it or challenge. Joust ba?
Oo. Walang backliner ba si Gia kanina?
I don't think so.
Walang challenge eh. 12-7. Lisa De Ramos na to serve. Air Force up by 5. Gatiliana. Morado sending it to Morente. Lusot na naman si Morente sa depensa ni Pantino.
Okay, great set for Morado.
Again, Pantino is not really known for her blocking. So habang nasa harapan siya, that might be a ploy on that side ni Mitch Morente.
Yes. Pero nasa likod na.
Nasa likod na din. Gatiliana, pwede rin naman doon sa spot na yon. Morente at 10 service aces. This is the first one of the match.
Many more to come.
Tignan natin if there's many more to come. She actually broke a 5-way tie for the record na 8 service aces. I believe, I don't have the list in front of me right now, but I'm sure Rede Maculangan was there, Charo Soriano was there, Zier Basho was also there, and ito si Morente just hit for service error. I think Dakis was also there on that list of 8. I'm not sure anymore, pero there were 5 people tied for 8 for the record.
Wala na. Just one.
Just one. Now it's all Mitch Morente for the league serve record for a match. Here's Gatiliana. Dug up. Lazaro. Galing sa likod. Eliza Valdez into the net again. Slow start for Eliza. Only 1 point so far.
Yeah, but when she was in front, she didn't have enough chances actually.
Balik ulit sa 5. Ang abante rito ng Air Force. Pantino. Lazaro. Morado. Quick set. Ahumiro. Dima. Kabila. Cases. Blocked there by Morado. One more time around for Cases. Cross-court shot. And that one just goes out. And then Lazaro was hoping na yung pektos kumagat sa hangin.
Actually, konti na lang.
15-9. Biggest lead of the game now for the Philippine Air Force.
But again, no, Ateneo is not their usual bubbly self today.
At this moment at least. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Lazaro. Morado. Gatiliana. Yes.
Yung sinasabi mo that they should take full advantage of the opposite hitters.
So right now, nasa likuran na si Pantino. So the blocker will be Joy Cases, also not known for her blocking.
Yeah.
Yung mga noted blockers dyan, si De Ramos, si Di Maculangan, at saka si Ortiz. Gatiliana now on the serve. What a serve from Kim Gatiliana. And they are attacking Pantino.
Well, if she can develop that, wow, Ateneo would really be, diba? You have Morente, Morado, and Valdez serving very well. Even si Ahumiro.
And alam mo, parang kung nanonood ka ng mga taga-Chinese Taipei mag-bowling, that was a spin bowl yung ginawa niya doon. Better reception this time from Pantino. Passes third back again by Morado. Tip over, here is Lazaro. Morado sending it to Eliza Valdez. Back in front, and there she is.
Easy does it for Valdez. You know, that's what she should do also sometimes, not to overcrack.
Yeah.
It.
Maganda rin ang delay doon na ginawa ni Gia Morado. Eliza, if you're just joining us, is under the weather. May sipon po siya. Having a hard time breathing. Has developed headaches. Congestion ang tawag sa ganun eh. Here's the runner from Mike Ortiz. Yan ang pamatay-sunog na opensa ng Air Force.
The score now, 12-16, no? Ateneo, 8 unforced errors. 1 lang for Air Force.
Wow. Tignan natin kung makabawi sila. Ahumiro. Straight into Cases. So I have to take it back. Cases is not known for her blocking. Pero that time, medyo telegraph naman yung pag-setup ni Morado. Kay Ahumiro.
You can sense also that Morado is trying to, you know, not really put the whole weight on Eliza. Because, diba?
Right. Hirap kaya nun. Have you ever played with a congestion?
Yeah.
Ang hirap nun.
Mahirap talaga.
Morado tipping it over. Balmaceda is there to rescue. Here is Dimac going to Caballero. And there was a net violation anyway against Ateneo. So back to a 6-point lead para sa Air Force.
Oh, they're blocking. They should, see, Ahumiro should also help Eliza. Lagi nagsisingle block coverage si Eliza.
Dimac once again to serve. Good serve from Dimac. Morente. Morado. Valdez. Blocked there by Ortiz. Second ball attacking Morado. They go to Cases. Cases dug up by Lazaro. Eliza Valdez.
They called it in. Ang Air Force contesting that it was out.
Linesman with a quick call there sa kabila. Nakikita natin dito. Was it in or was it out? Look in by a ball.
Oh.
Di ba na tumama sa linya yun? 18-13. Amy Ahumiro.
Another good serve.
Another good serve there from Amy. This is a free ball, however, coming from Pantino. Ahumiro. Morado, quick set. De Leon turned back there by Cases. Ano yun? Crossing violation against De Leon. I don't know about that one either.
Take a look at it.
De Leon or... yeah. You could make a case for it na tama yung tawag doon ni Referee Lumer Parillo. It was a crossing violation. Pero no harm, no foul usually yun, diba?
Kasi pag hindi nakatingin naman ang referee, di matinatawag.
Oo. De Leon with a hitting error, and Ateneo's in trouble here. And they will use their last timeout. 20-13. Sluggish start for the Lady Eagles, but a good start for Air Force. Ang katanungan ngayon, sino po pumoprotekta sa himpapawid ng Pilipinas kung nandito po lahat ng mga piloto ng ating mga fighter jet? Yan po ang sanib puwersa ng Philippine Air Force. Nagpunta po rito, buti hindi sila inabutan ng ulan. Hindi sila makakalipad.
Don't you just love it? Tapos kung ang PNP na nandito nanonood.
Oo, dati yung PNP, dati Philippine Army.
We feel so safe.
Sorry, mga aeroplano kayo nakaparada sa labas. Traffic. 2013, Wendy Semana seeing her first action, serving now for the Philippine Air Force. Jack Iliana. Manny Madayag also seeing her first action, and Eliza Valdez will score. Oh, senyas dito. Yung referee, Rodrigo Rojas. Paul will stay. Coach Tay has already got to the middle of the court. Take a look at it again. This point will belong to Ateneo, according to referee Lumer Parillo. Morente was trying to defend the recovery of Caballero. That is the contention of second referee Rodrigo Rojas, who was closer.
Pero nauna siya, no?
It did not hit Morente. It did not hit Morente. Yan ang katanungan dito. It did not hit Morente.
Pero, di ba, interference yan?
And the ball will stay with Ateneo.
But you know,
and now Coach Clarence is not happy.
No, you know, there should be the referee should talk about that play. Kasi that's why interference.
Wendy Semana is now having a word with our first referee. Because Coach Aying talking to our technical committee, and now Lisa De Ramos, who used to be the captain of the team, hindi na siya yung captain, so hindi na siya pwede makipag-usap. It's Wendy Semana.
Nakausap na siya ng Syria, hindi ka na captain.
Oo. Because she may be the highest in rank dito sa kanilang kupunan, but the captain is Wendy Semana. So the call will stay. Point goes to Ateneo, down by 6. Gia Morado. Semana on the reception. Dimac going to Caballero. Off the block. Ando naman si Morado. Lazaro does the setting. Sends it to Eliza Valdez. Off of the head of Lisa De Ramos.
Better play right now for Eliza.
Sabi siguro ni Eliza, alam mo, Staff Sergeant, quiet ka na, hindi ka na captain eh. Oh, boy. 2015. Sa panahon na tagulan ni Wasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger katolang gamitin, proudly Philippine-made. Morado once again on the serve. Cases with a better reception. Caballero, hulog! Uy, ganda na sa logo ni Morado. Valdez gives up the free ball. Caballero, D-Max sa kabila. Cases, off the net. Nandito si Eliza. Kenden sending it over to Morente. Resilience of Ateneo in that play.
That's right, and it's a good example of how to divide your offense.
Coach Clarence nangihinayang sa kalamangan na nakuha nila. Timeout Air Force. Play one is, of course.
Open.
Batting. The number one play na kailangan nilang ma-execute yung pamatay sunog, and there's the Mitch Morente celebration caught on film.
Mitch Morente.
Oh, she just loved Mitch Morente celebration.
I love it. She jumped up.
Here's the serve now coming from Gia Morado. And that is a service ace for Morado. Eliza Valdez is coughing a lot. And nakabantay kagad sa kanya si Denton Lazaro. Parang okay ka lang, Lai.
Oh, man. You gotta feel for her. It's really hard playing to me.
Yep. Another serve coming from Gia Morado. D-Mac. Cases, yes! Pati sino rin, naubo. Nakahawa, no? Joy Cases stops the Ateneo run at 17. 4-point lead anew for the Philippine Air Force. Aba, may sariling cheer. Ang mga sanipuwersa dito ng Philippine Air Force in attendance. As Joy Cases puts it in play. Lazaro has been playing very well. Eliza, all the combination.
I have time, no?
Right.
Oh, let me wait for the ball.
It's also a good sell by Manny Madayag that time. Eliza getting the cheers. The fans know that she's under the weather. Sinusuportahan siya talaga. Eliza on the serve. Good serve. And Manny Madayag is caught for overreaching. That is a good call. Good call.
Coach Tide contesting the call once again.
A lot of controversial calls dito. I felt that was a good call. Lampas talaga yung kamay ni Madayag over the plane of the net. 22-18. Valdez on the reception. Runner, Madayag, denied by the net. 23-18.
Well, so far, if Judy Caballero the one serving, doon nakaka-score itong Air Force.
And on the other side naman, pag si Gia Morado naman, Ateneo goes on a run. The next to be serving later on, however, will be Manny Madayag. So, that one goes out. Coming from Caballero. Now Madayag will serve. 23-19. Nabuo na yung fan club ni Eliza. Iiyawan na sila. Madayag, not really known for her serve.
Oh boy, you wouldn't want that at this point in the set.
Look at who's coming back in. Micah Ortiz replacing Wendy Semana. So now, Air Force, 5 set points. Trying to put it away on the serve of their former captain, Lisa De Ramos.
Pero alam na natin, first option ng Air Force.
Definitely. Ahomiro, nice. Ateneo saves 1. And Mitch Morente, who served 5 consecutive aces against the Philippine Army in the 5th set when they were down by 4.
Oh, that was classic.
This is familiar. They're also down by 4 here. Balmaceda asking for it on the serve. They do not go there. In fact, Morente is not even close on the serve. So Ateneo drops the first set. 25-20. Kuha po ng Air Force ang first set.